Hello students, in the continuation of iteration, that is loop, a very famous problem is there, that is problem of pattern printing. It is a problem based on nested loop. So let us implement the concept of nested loop in the problem of pattern printing. This is the task. We have to display this type of pattern on the screen. Now, to display this type of pattern, first you need to identify how many rows are there. In this problem, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows are there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 column is in last row. Then here it is 7 column, 5, 3, 1. So here we have to write the loop for the rows. There are 5 rows, so I am writing here for I in range 1 to 6. So it will continue till 5. Now we have to write the loop for the columns. Here for columns 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. First we need to print 4 space. Then in the second row 3 space. In the third row 1 space. In fourth row 1 space. So first we need to write to print the space. So in first row there are 4 space. So I am writing for j in range 5 minus I. So this will print space and space. So this loop will print the space for each row. This is row number 1. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. So this will execute 4 times and it will print 4 space. In row number 2, here in row number 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. So this loop will execute for 3 times and it will print 3 space. Now I need to print this value. Okay, to print this value I am writing for j in range 1 to I plus 1, because this in this way loop will execute till I times 1 to I, because in row number 1 there is 1 column, so it has to be displayed from 1 to 1. In row number 2 there are 2 columns and it has to be displayed from 1 to 2. So we are displaying column from 1 to I plus 1. Print j and space. So this will print here to here. Now we want to print here to here, because here you see very carefully 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3 to 1. In this side the pattern is changing. So for the changing pattern we are writing the loop again for j in range I minus 1 to 1, because here it is row number 4. So it is 4, so it is 3 to 1. So it is starting from I minus 1 to 1. Print j and space. So after printing the entire row, we need to change the line so that next row will appear from next line. So as soon as all the 3 statement executed, here I am simply writing print. This will change the line. So when the row number 2 appears, again it will print these 3 loops and again it will change the line. So in this way you will get this pattern on the screen. Here I have written print j. Suppose if I write print I and space, instead of j If I write here J, if I write print I, then now what it will do? It will print the value of I, that is row, the value of the row. In first row, the value of row is 1, so it will print 1. In second row, the value is true, so I have written print I over here, print I over here. So in both the cases, it will print the value of row, that is row number 2. In the same way, it will print third row, it will print fourth row, and it will print fifth row. So if you write print I instead of print J, you will get this type of output. Now you can try more question by your own. This is a basic concept behind this type of pattern printing. Thank you.